It's a gear tester here, and you are looking at my Arsenal SLR 107 CR. This is an awesome rifle, but my rifle has been modified. I had a professional gunsmith install the Occam Defense Solutions rear sight tower onto my brand new rifle. I purchased this rifle a year ago to have the Occam Defense Solutions rear sight tower installed on it. I went out and paid $1,250 for a rifle so it could have this rear sight tower installed on it, because that's how excited I was about this product. About a year and a half ago, I had the opportunity to meet Brian Keeney, the owner and operator of Occam Defense Solutions, and I got to tour his facility and his factory, and I got the opportunity to see this product. Occam Defense Solutions is now producing full rifles. You can now buy a full rifle from them. A year and a half ago, that was Brian's dream and goal, and he's realizing that right now. But this was a product that I could purchase, and I like the AK. I like particularly the AK-47, that 30 caliber bullet that it shoots. But I was a little bit tired of not being able to find a mounting solution for red dots that I really liked. In years past, I had an AK-74. It was also an Arsenal rifle, and I had an Ultimac AK rail mounted on it. And I just never liked that. And what I really like about the Occam Defense Solutions rear sight tower is that it keeps the overall profile and look of the gun. And most importantly, I can pop my optic on and off. The reason I like the rear sight tower is that it allows me to pop my red dot on and off easily and have solid return to zero on the firearm. I've had this product on my Arsenal AK for over a year and have tested it a bunch, and I really like it. It does have return to zero. What I particularly like about this setup from Occam Defense Solutions and their rear sight tower is the fact that it gives me functionality with this rifle, the same level of functionality and practical accuracy that I have with my other rifles, particularly my Daniel Defense DD M4V1. It has an aim point T2 on it as well. From a practical standpoint, I'm able to kneel down and get consistent hits at 100, 200, 250 yards with the red dot, just shooting at a 12-inch steel plate. And I really like the practical accuracy that I get out of this system. I know the Ultimac AK rail for many people does the same thing, but I think that this is a better solution, a more rock-solid solution, and definitely preserves return to zero better than having something that clamps around your barrel. Okay, so I'm just able to shoot more effectively, faster, and get hits more consistently on target with this setup. Maybe one little drawback is your head is going to be a little higher off the gun than with the Ultimac AK rail, so you do take a little hit there, but that's easily remedied with practice and training. I would definitely encourage you to Google Occam Defense Solutions and look at the specs for the rear sight tower and see if it will fit on your rifle. It comes highly recommended from me, the Gear Tester. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. 2 weeks from now, I'll be releasing a full tabletop review on the Occam Defense Solutions rear sight tower. I really like it. You should get one and have it installed on your firearm. Thank you very much for your views and your subscriptions. This is the Gear Tester signing off.